c'est très bien. Tout le monde, c'est très bien. Tout le monde, c'est très bien. Okay, so guys, like I said earlier, this hair industry is an international corporation, and the raw materials comes from another country. China will process it, and then it goes to another country for the hand tie to be done. But because of COVID-19, borders are closed, so it's so difficult to take the work, to take the processed work, the processed hair to that country for the hand tied part to be done. And so that is why we have got problems with the hand tied part. But I think that after COVID-19, when all borders are open and all that, frontals and closures will be really affordable. But as at now, there is really a shortage, and the shortage is because of COVID-19. COVID-19 has made the international cooperation in the hair industry very difficult. Very difficult. It's really difficult for the international cooperation to go on because borders are closed. When we get the raw materials from other countries like Brazil, Peru, Malaysia, India, whatever, the process, the hair product, when the raw materials get to China, is being processed, and then the hand tied part, because of hi, c'est très bien, tout le monde, c'est très bien, alright, c'est très bien. Okay, so guys, like I keep saying, and like I keep telling you guys, the international cooperation in the hair industry is actually broken because of COVID-19. COVID-19 has made it very difficult for the international cooperation to go on, because this raw materials, the hair raw material, is actually imported from other countries into China. China will process it, and then China takes it to another country for the frontals and the closures to be done. But because of COVID-19, it's difficult for China to take it to the other country for the hand-tied part to be done. And if this hand-tied work is done in China, it's super expensive. So because of cheap labor costs, to control the labor costs, China will process the raw material from the other country, and then the processed hair will go to another country for the hand tie to be done. And because of COVID-19, we cannot, the cooperation cannot really go on as it should. And that is why there is shortage of frontals and closures, and of course it's really expensive in these corona times. But I hope that you guys can go for the Teapot lace wig, which is also beautiful. Stay tuned and keep watching. Mwah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got a very beautiful wig for you all, and this is a kinky straight. So today's video is all about this kinky straight. Kinky straight is actually very beautiful. It looks like our own natural hair that has been permed. It's so beautiful. You see it? And this is 26 inches, and the hair is from Wigenius Hair. And this is actually the Teapot lace kinky straight wig. Lots of girls are going for this wig. It's super soft, super silky. And that is the line, that is a Teapot. Okay, so with the Teapot lace, what you can do for yourself is you can actually get it in the middle part, and then you can braid some part of this hair and give it a very nice look. You can spicy it up, and of course it is very soft. Let me run my fingers through the hair. I'm running my fingers through this whole hair. You can see it's not shading, it's not tangling, and it's actually very full to the length. This is really full to the length. Running my fingers again and again, and you can see it's not shading, no shades at all, and it's really bouncy, very bulky. You can actually use it for all occasions. I like the flow of the hair. Wow, this is hair. This hair is super gorgeous, and it's super beautiful. And no strands, no tangles. You can actually dye the hair, you can perm the hair, you can wash the hair, you can restyle this hair into any other kind of style that you want. You can dye it purple, you can dye it burgundy, whatever. Okay, so let's look at it inside out. So this is a hair, and this is how it looks inside. You're actually seeing the back side of the wig, and that is actually an adjustable strap right there at the back. And then, no, sorry, this is a comb. This is a comb. This is a comb at the back, and this is the adjustable strap. So you can actually adjust the size of the cap in how you want it. And then we also have the comb. That is a comb right there on top. And of course, this is how the lace looks like. It's actually a teapot lace wig, like I always say. It's a teapot lace wig, and teapot lace wig is really trending now. It's so difficult, it's super difficult to import closures and frontals into China. So most of the companies are now introducing the teapot lace wig. I'm going to put this wig right here on my head for you all to see. I'll come back with a final look. We talk about why closures and frontals are really in shortage. One, because the hair industry is actually an international corporation. It's an international corporation, and that means that the raw materials come from another country. So for example, we have the raw material coming from Brazil, raw material coming from Peru, raw material coming from India, raw material coming from Malaysia, and all that. So the raw materials come to China, and then China will process it. Okay, so once the processing is done, especially the hand-tied part, the hand-tied part is not done in China. It's not made in China. It's actually made in another country. So when the raw material comes to China, China will now process it and then take it to another country for the hand-tied part to be done because of labor cost. The labor cost in that country is really, really good. So it's actually advisable for companies, for hair companies, to take this hair to that country for the hand tie to be done. Now when it is done, it comes back to China, and then when you buy the hair, we ship from China to you. But now all the borders are closed, so it's even difficult to import the raw materials into China, and for China to actually take it to another country for the hand tied part to be done. And that is why frontals and closures are in short supply. That is why frontals and closures are in short supply. So I think that you can always go for the teapot lace wig. The teapot lace wig is also good. It's really, really affordable, and it has come to solve the problem of lack of frontals and closures. The teapot lace wig has come to solve the problem of lack of frontals and closures. So you can go in for teapot lace wig. Anytime that COVID-19 gets down and everything is okay and borders get open, we will be able to actually take this hand tie, take the raw material, the processed work to that country, and then the country will actually make the hand tie, the frontals and the closures, and then we can ship the frontals and the closures to you all. Okay, so guys, keep watching. Oh my gosh, are you looking for this look? It's super beautiful. Wow, this is for you guys. If you buy this hair, you're gonna have this particular look. It's so beautiful. I'm actually going to and you can hide the lace. Okay, so when you actually buy the hair, you can actually cut the lace, but since I am using it right here in my video, I'm not going to cut the lace. I'm just showing you guys how it looks right on my head, and I'm going to actually add some kind of touches to it, and then I'll come back. But you can see it's not shaded, it's not tangling, and I want you guys to see how it looks here. It's very full from top to bottom. It's super full. So that is something that I want you guys to know. And look at it from the back. I'm going to actually apply some kind of oil and all that. And when I'm done applying the oil and everything, I'll come back with the final look. C'est très bien. C'est très bien. Tout le monde. C'est très bien. Tout le monde. C'est très bien. Okay, so hi guys, this is the final look. It's so beautiful, and I actually held it up there, and I just love it like that. And I'm going to take pictures, and like I said earlier, this hair doesn't shear, it doesn't tangle, and you can use it for a very long time. And like I also said, hair industry is an international corporation, and of course the raw materials come from another country. Raw material for this hair actually is from another country, and because of COVID-19, you know, it's actually borders are closed, and shipping from another country is actually difficult. And so that is why you actually realize that we have shortage when it comes to frontals and closures, because when the raw materials get to China, the products are sent to North Korea, and then the hand tie is done in North Korea. Yeah, because the labor cost there is super cheap. I mean, affordable. Guys, here comes the final look of this beautiful wig. Is actually the Kinky straight wig that is right here on my hair. This is Kinky straight wig, and I've actually given it a pony kind of tail on my other back. And this hair is very full, no shears, no tangles. You can use this hair for a very long time. You will really not regret. You can actually make different styles with this hair, and you will be good to go. I'm going to take some other pictures, and this is actually 100% human hair. And if you have got questions, leave all that in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to place your orders. All the links to this hair will be right there in the description. Till I come your way next time, remain blessed. Lots of love from Wigenius Hair, Efashion Hair. Mwah. Set, trap, yeah, to the wall. Set, trap, yeah. Guys, the hair looks good, and guys, this is the final look. It's super beautiful, super gorgeous. All this hair for me, shipping was super fast, and of course you don't have any problems in terms of quality. And like I said,